2021 Battle Creek thunderstorm at the shell right now. Got the lightning moving in here. It's kind of hard to see with the raindrops on the window. It's not allowing any to really see past it. But we've had some strikes from the cell right here. Just checked the weather radar, and we are literally under it right now. So, Guy on an Adventure, Battle Creek, 2021. Got the lightning strikes going on right now. Got the storm. Seeing if I can't capture something here. The last couple strikes that came out of here were really close. So, just going to try to see if we can't get something. Now that I started filming, it'll probably, not happen. Trying to hold the camera as still as possible. How's everybody doing out there? I know I haven't really uploaded a whole bunch lately, but it has been super busy at work right now. Life has been pretty much this, and yeah, that's it. The cell is really pronounced here, so the lightning's been on the back side of the dark gray. I'm just trying to see if I can't capture a little something. We're already a minute 35 in. I think after like 3 or 4 minutes, my phone tells me to stop filming. I can't handle anymore, Guy. But figured it might be worth it today, unless there's a car that parks immediately in this parking spot next to me. See if I can't capture something. I had a policeman pulling next to me right now, so not trying to film him or her, but at the same time, I would like to see some of the storm here. Try not to get my wiper blade in the way. Absolutely crazy storm weather that we got right now. Absolutely nuts. I wish I could shoot in this other direction, but there is an officer that way. You can't tell over here. It's a lot lighter. Then right above us, we got the clouds pushing down, waiting for this officer to get out of his vehicle so he doesn't think I'm filming him. Even though, by all rights, I absolutely could, I'm not going to, out of respect for the people that do that job and they're in the line of duty. So, see what happens here. The officer has gotten out of his vehicle, so now I'm... Oh, there it is! Yes, and I got it on camera. This is for the boom. And there it is. And I just started filming when I caught that. You know, they say lightning doesn't strike in 2 places, but it's been coming from that direction. So, I'm going to keep this going, drink some of my energy drink here. Maybe we'll get another strike out here. It's been coming in this line, this direction towards me, so I'm in a good position for it. We shall see. I'd be very lucky to get 2 strikes in the same general vicinity, but we will see. We will see. Let it run for at least another minute here. And you know what? I'm going to upload the full video. I know it's not super exciting. I know I'm not going to edit it down for time restraints. I'm just going to let you guys know that things are going good on Guy on the Adventure. It's not as fast as I wanted it to be in the past, or growing, excuse me, burping up my energy drink here, as fast as I wanted it to be, but, excuse me, again, goodness. You know, I burp a lot on these videos. Who knew? So anyways, just checking it out here. Alright. And in true vlogger fashion, as soon as I stopped filming, the lightning struck again right from over here. Anyways, so it looks as if the tail end of the cell is kind of right above us right now. But we do have some thunder in the background. Maybe that's going to equal some more lightning strikes in the views here. I have a feeling that they're going to be in the tail end over here now, or directly above. And, well, to be honest with you, how it's striking right now, I'm not going to get out of my vehicle and point the camera at the sky. So, good sign is that there's a lot of rain happening. Just trying to watch for that officer, make sure he doesn't walk into the shot. We give those people respect and privacy that they asked for when asked for. So, trying to get at least one more before I go. Well, as the tables have turned and the world keeps spinning, as a vlogger, I was only able to capture one lightning strike by chance, and that's okay. So, got on an adventure here, checking in with you. You know, guess I'm going to have to learn not to drink carbonated beverages while I film vlogs. I do apologize for the burping. However, got an adventure, want to check in with you. Things have been slow on my end. Like I said, work's been taking a precedented foothold over all the things that I am doing. So, burping apparently is fine. I don't have any problem with that, which is slightly embarrassing, but you know what? I don't do these vlogs to not be embarrassed. I do these vlogs to show you that I'm a human being, and I burp, and I'm in a thunderstorm. And with that being said, guys, you know, keep a lookout for some future vlogs coming your way. I appreciate all 52 of my subscribers. You know, I will always say this, and I've said it from the beginning. I could speak straight. 52, 100,000. It doesn't matter. I'm going to do these no matter what, and I'm going to do them for the people that watch. So, got an adventure, checking in, and with that beautiful, my phone just vibrated. You're going to hear that on the camera. With that beautiful ending, I'm going to have to say over and out. Oh, also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell as the lightning strikes all the way around me. All right, guys. There's another one. Over and out.